inform you about Bharata First Knowledge Center, an initiative that will help each one of you and transform the way you learn. You can go to our website kc.bharatafirst.com for more details. Register now and avail the limited period early bird offer. It's a learning experience like never before. On the occasion of International Yoga Day celebrated on June 21, that is the longest day of the year, Nepal's PM passed remarks that yoga originated in Nepal. Let us understand the tidbits of the yoga and the story. Yoga is a spiritual discipline which focuses on bringing harmony between mind and body. The word yoga is derived from Sanskrit root word yuj, meaning to join, to yoke, or to unite. Yoga is an art and science of healthy living. The aim of yoga is self-realization. An interesting fact: yoga is widely being considered as an immortal cultural outcome of Indus-Saraswati Valley civilization. Let us trace the origin and history of yoga. The science of yoga had its origin 1,000 years ago, even long before the dawn of religious belief system. Interestingly, Shiva is seen as first yogi, also known as Adi Yogi. 1,000 years ago, on the banks of Lake Kanti Sarovar in Himalayas, Adi Yogi poured his profound knowledge onto Saptarishis, and further, these 7 great sages carried this knowledge of yogic sciences to the different parts of the world. Yogic system found its fullest and real expression in India with the help of Agastya Rishi, that is one of the Saptarishis. As you must all be knowing, a number of seals and fossil remains of Indus Valley civilization with yogic motifs and figures performing yoga, thus indicating the presence of yoga in India. Let us understand the varied presence of yoga. The presence of yoga is available in folk traditions, Indus Valley civilization, Vedic Upanishadic heritage, Buddhist and Jain literature. Its traces have also been found in epics such as Mahabharata and Ramayana, Purans, theistic traditions of Shaivas, Vaishnavas and Tantric tradition. There had been explanation in Bhagavad Gita, which has been elaborately presented the concept of Jnana Yoga, Karma Yoga and Bhakti Yoga. Great sage Maharshi Patanjali systematized and codified the then existing practices of yoga, and its related meaning is available through Yoga Sutras. Historical evidences of yoga were seen in pre-Vedic period and thereafter till Patanjali's period. The unique fact: the concept of 5 vows, that is Panch Mahavrata by Mahavir and Ashtamarg by Buddha, can well be considered as early nature of yoga sadhana. A super interesting fact: BKS Iyengar, the founder of styles of yoga known as Iyengar Yoga, was considered as one of the foremost yoga teachers in the world. After colonial influence, yoga lost its significance, and later in 1893, Swami Vivekanand introduced Americans to the divine concept of yoga, and eventually starting an ashram in Los Angeles. Recently, 7th International Yoga Day celebrated with extreme great enthusiasm across the globe. This year, theme is Yoga for Wellness. In this highlight, Nepal's PM again stirred another controversy by claiming that yoga originated in Nepal and not in India on the occasion of World Yoga Day. Oli also claimed that Indian experts have been hiding facts about it. Earlier, Oli sparked controversy by claiming that Ayodhya, that is the birthplace of Lord Rama, is in Nepal, and Lord Rama was Nepali. Oli had also called India out for cultural encroachment by creating fake Ayodhya. PM Oli remarks invites sharp criticism over his comments. In nutshell, yoga is collective heritage of a great culture spanning across the world and India. So, what do you think about Oli's remarks and yoga? Do let us know your opinion in the comment section. For such amazing facts and content, please like, share and subscribe to Bharata First. Thank you. Let us inform you about Bharata First Knowledge Center, an initiative that will help each one of you and transform the way you learn. You can go to our website kc.bharatafirst.com for more details. Register now and avail the limited period early bird offer. It's a learning experience like never before.